I go to the shoe shop. I go to the shoe shop. I see a store. I see a store. I enter the shop. I enter the shop. I see rows of shoes. I see rows of shoes. I look for sneakers. I look for sneakers. I pick a pair. I pick a pair. I try them on. I try them on. They feel comfortable. They feel comfortable. I like the style. I like the style. I choose to buy them. I choose to buy them. I pay with cash. I pay with cash. I get a receipt. I get a receipt. I leave the shop. I leave the shop. I wear my new sneakers. I wear my new sneakers. I walk and run. I walk and run. I feel good. I feel good. I go back to the shop. I go back to the shop. I see sandals. I see sandals. I try them on. I try them on. I like the fit. I like the fit. I decide to buy them. I decide to buy them. I pay with a credit card. I pay with a credit card. I keep the receipt. I keep the receipt. I am happy with my shoes. I am happy with my shoes. I leave the store. I leave the store. Shopping for shoes is great. Shopping for shoes is great. I enjoy it. I enjoy it.